Hello and welcome to LH Geospatial. Today we're going to look at how to convert Excel to a domain. So first and foremost, I have an Excel file here which I just write text. So I'm just going to open it up so that we look at what's in it. So I have a code here, 1 to 20. Oh, I think I made a mistake, but that's not an issue. Could just say this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Alright, so there are 21 code here, and then the descriptions are in millimeters. So I have them like I wanted to input this into as a domain into our geodatabase. So that's what we want to do today. So now that you've seen it, let's close it. Yeah, so okay, let's close it. Now let's go over to ArcGIS. I'm using ArcGIS 10.8.2. So you can either search for domain or you go to your catalog toolbar. I already have mine open here. So if you go to catalog or you go to data management, then from there you go down to domains. So what we want to use here, the tool we want to apply is table to domain. So just double click on it. And here they're asking you to impute table, which is that Excel file we have. So I'm going to impute this and I'm going to click on OK. So they're asking for the code field. So we have a code and we have a description. So this one is the code field. And they're asking you for the description field, which is this one. And they're asking you to input workspace, that is on which database do you want to put this thing on. So I want to put it on this 3D. Then I click on OK. Alright. So it's going to carry the name code. If I want to change this, I can just say coded domain or just leave it as coded. And then they're asking for this as a okay description. Alright. Now here, update options. We have two options. Either you want to append or you want to replace. If you already have a domain, maybe you've imported this before, you replaced it. If you are just doing it for the first time, there's no domain in the domain, so you just append. Alright. So I click on OK after that. Now it says table to domain is successful. So let's go over to our database. It was under this tutorial and then this 3D. So let's right click on the geodatabase and go to properties. Now under properties, if we just go to domain, we will see that we have coded and we have descriptions. And when you come down to the code, you see 1 to 21, and then we also have the descriptions between 20 mm all of the way to whatever we have. So this is how you can easily import a domain on Excel to it on the ArcGIS. So let's say, for instance, maybe there's an issue and you want to delete the domain. So you want to delete it completely. So you just come back down to the tools we use and you will see we have delete domain. So you double click on it and you click on the workspace, you bring this workspace in and click on OK. And then they're asking for the domain name, which is the coded, and you click on OK. So if we go back to our domain and check, right click this, go to properties, you will realize that there's no more domain in it. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. We'll see you in the next video, but don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.